Guys, today we talk about how can you find Microsoft on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click in this sign here, it's going to take you to a next step. Then all you have to do, you just go down. So you keep going down here. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Just waiting to open video. So then all you have to do, you just click here on account preferences. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, keep going down, and you click here on Microsoft here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Here I have no granted access to any Microsoft accounts, but if you have it, can you find it in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.